let me show you how to solve a problem that involves GP, that is geometric progression. I know that you are finding it difficult. Come on, let me show you that it is very simple. Let's go. Let's solve it together. All right, we have the eighth term of a GP is 640. If the first term is 5, find the common ratio and the 10th term. All right, we have solution like this. Solution. Can you see it? All right, so we have that first term of our AP. We use this to denote it. Can you see it? Then common ratio, we use R to denote it. We have common ratio. Can you see that? So the nth term is like this. We have it like this. Tn. We have A, R. We have this. That is how we do it. And n means the number of n that you are talking about. All right. Here they said the eighth term of a GP. That means that n should be what? 8. So we have this. That T8 nth term of a GP. Can you see that? They gave us the first term. The first term is 5. So here we have 5. We have common ratio like this. So this is what? 8 like this. Minus what? 1. That's anywhere you see n, you call it what? 8. They gave us the value of 8 term. They said is what? 600 and what? 40. We have like this. Can you see that? All right, this will give us, when you multiply this, you have 5R. This minus this will give us what? 7. Can you see that? All right, so we divide both sides by coefficient of R raised to the power 7, which is 5. We have like this. This divided by 5. Then we have this divided by what? 5. Can you see that? Cancel this. Cancel that. All right, so now, when 5 divides, you have 1. When 5 divides this one, you have 1, remainder 1, put here, you have 14. When 5 divides 14, you have 2, remainder 4. Put here, you have what? When 5 divides, you have 8. Can you see? You have that R raised to the power 2 is equals to 128. So this is 7th root, not square. Alright, so we have 7th root of this. When 7th root, when raised to the power 7. So this is R raised to the power 7. When raised to the power 7 crosses over, it will become what? 7th root. So we have something like this. It will become 7th root of 128. And 7th root of 128 will give us what? It will give us 2. So remember the first question says we should find the common ratio. So we have found the common ratio. And the common ratio is what? Is equals to what? 2. Okay. They said we should find the 10th term. Remember I said that nth term can be calculated using this formula. We have like this. So because we are talking about 10th term, this should be T10 like this. Then first term is what? Is 5. We have times R is 2. We have this 10 minus what? 1. Can you see that? Alright, so we have this 5 times, this will give us 2 raised to the power 9. Okay, 2 raised to the power 9 will give us 512. Can you see that? Then you now multiply. 5 times 2 will give us 10. Write 0, carry 1. 5 times 1 will give us 5. Plus 1, you have 6. 5 times 5 will give us 25. We have like this. That means that the 10th term will give us this. Can you see that? All right, so here it means that common radius, which is what? R is equals to 2. And the 10th term is equal to, we have it to be 2560. Can you see it? So that is it. I believe that you enjoyed the way I just solved it. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. So follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this mathematical knowledge.